they took care of people here, and then nobody's here, so they just leave. But then that's why nobody's here.
Yeah, I was sitting in my car for a good 30 minutes. I was also nervous.
I get really bad social anxiety, that's why I was sitting in my car. I was like, it's so dirty in there.
Dude, I love your seats.
Thank you.
How do you like these ones? How do you like these
I
ones?
really like it.
Okay, yeah, because like I got the Prismas and these ones are like, I was looking at these ones, but I was like, fuck it, I'll just get these ones. So. But I was looking at these ones, they're, yeah, oh yeah. Okay, yeah, they're like very similar to mine.
You can sit in it if you want.
Hell yeah, I mean, I've never been in one of these.
Go ahead.
I've never been in a Del Sol. This is sick.
It's dirty.
It's okay. Oh, this is nice. I like it. Give it the beans.
Give it the beans.
Yeah, that's sick. Yeah. This window's so sick. I always love the way they did that.
Yeah.
Dude, I love your seats. Those are so sick. Yeah. Where'd you find those? Really? There. I was gonna say, there's like no way you can find them. That's insane. Dude, this Subaru is nice.
Huh?
This Subaru is nice. Whose car is it? Yours?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude.
It's not amazing. She's not perfect. She's definitely got her
Totally doesn't have a built block in it.
Yeah, she's not ethanol. Why do you always fucking tell people? Leave her alone.
I don't know, maybe pop the hood.
Make an offer. I don't want
That thing's so sweet, dude. How long have you had this thing?
He's trying to sell it. You wanna buy it?
Months?
Not long.
Not long.
Months. Oh my god.
You bought it like 4 months.
That's cap. I bought it start of April.
Bullshit. Is that long ago?
Yes. God, you don't pay attention.
No, I'm a dumb fuck.
Yeah, man. She needs fucking tires. That's for sure.
Hell yeah.
Saudis are dog shit.
Dude, this thing's sick.
Don't drift on both tires. Me and Isaiah found
I
it.
literally, dude, this thing did a
Especially when
fucking
it's wet out.
360 with me, you know.
Holy
No,
shit.
me and Isaiah did that. Fucking.
Dude, she's a good girl though. Really fresh build. She's got white line suspension all in the front.
Damn.
It's pretty just
That's clean.
low class fucking.
It is. This is like a sleeper, dude. I like
Dude,
that.
because you got the whack ass fitment, but it makes right around 450 to the crank, 420 probably to the wheel, and it scoots a little bit.
Damn.
Those are good numbers, by the way. I literally just
Dude,
love that,
and I love the
Drive
NVIDIA.
It's like 30%.
The NVIDIA's sick on here,
Yeah,
dude.
dude, you like that?
I love it.
Bro, there's not a lot of rust underneath it either.
No,
but,
dude, no,
the
it's not bad.
quarters, a little bit in the quarters, and then the front fender is pretty typical.
Dude.
Otherwise, she's great. I love her.
Hell
I need
yeah.
to get her clean though, man. I
That's Gabe.
didn't know I was coming to this.
Yeah.
Is that your C8 over there? I love that thing, man. It's sick. Dude, Peyton, you see the C8 over there?
I did.
Sick, right?
Yes, sir.
Lingenfelter. 800 horse.
800?
What?
650 at the rear wheels.
What you got done to it?
625.
Oh,
Springs and seats.
Oh.
Supercharger.
I gotta look at this.
yesterday, but I put 800 miles on it. And I've been,
You got it done at the right place.
Where'd you go?
Yep, they know what they're doing, man. That's for sure.
let's see. Oh, it tells me. Yeah, the push rods are done on it too.
Oh, you did the push rods and everything?
Yeah, clutch was upgraded.
Did you buy it with a bad motor, or did you just replace it with the
I had it
to
for
say
a
screw
year.
it?
I put 17,000 on it, and I brought it today in April. I just got it back yesterday.
It's the right color scheme. It's the red interior.
Supercharged.
It's wild.
These things are like known to run hot. Like it runs like 220 regular.
Like there might be enough room in this. Dude, the first time I just chased this car.
Yeah, I know. I thought I was going to open the truck and just live here in a minute.
Good shit. This thing is sweet. Dude, I love the rotors on here. Yeah. They're nice.
This
I
car
like
is,
it. It's fun.
he could race too.
Yeah.
Rambo, I'm not that fancy.
This thing's sick.
I always overpark it. This is the second time this year ever that I get appreciation for a slow TC.
That's okay, man, dude. I want to get all the cars. I
can
love them all.
You can open the hood.
Hell yeah.
I'm here for a disc golf game before the sun though.
Oh, hell
I
yeah.
play here a lot.
Yeah, I know. That's why I figured. I'm like, I was thinking, I'm like, if I should have a meet, I should have it here because you can skateboard, go fishing, go for a walk,
I fucking love
disc
this park.
golf. You know what I mean? I'm like, because obviously I knew the cops would come every. Dude, we were here yesterday. I literally was just here with my friend. We were showing each other our engine. Dude, cop rolls in, and we just have our hoods open. I'm like, holy
That's
shit,
okay.
that was
It's
fast.
because a lot of the kids, they ruin it sometimes.
Yeah,
They're
I know.
rowdy, they do burnouts, they do stupid shit you're not
Oh,
supposed
I know.
to fucking do.
Dude, even when I
Just, like,
posted
chill.
when I posted the meet, I said, no revving, no,
I
but
didn't
no
even
one
know there was
listens
a
to
meet.
that.
So
Oh, really?
I'm fitting in.
You just hell yeah, dude, that's sick.
if my Integra was running, I'd be off the Honda game.
Oh, hell yeah.
Del Sol. I fucking
Hell
love
yeah.
Del Sol, you know?
Oh yeah, dude. You got an Integra?
Yeah, 91
That's bad.
Integra. I had it. It's my first car ever. So many memories with this guy.
That's fucking awesome.
She's down again. She looks like a piece of shit, but I love
Dude,
her.
I had a 96 sedan as my first car. Dude, yeah,
Really?
I loved
Integra?
it. Yeah. Dude.
USDM was the
Yep,
bug guy, right?
yep,
I
the
kinda-
little bulby. Yeah, I know, right?
I prefer, you know.
But dude, it was my first car. I got it for 800 bucks out of storage unit. I was hyped, dude. Yeah, dude, it had intake, it had the cam gears, like, you know, like just like the little stuff, and it had the strut bar in the trunk end and the, you know, like
Yeah, I
had
got a little
front and rear. I was like, dude, that's sick.
I love the Del Sol.
But yeah, then that
Was
thing
it
blew the
smelling
transmission in the middle of winter, and I had to scrap it. It was so rusty, you know. Damn, that's so nice.
I didn't even know there was a meet. I'm just here for late disc golf. I usually don't go to meets because
Damn.
it's always rowdy. Somebody gets in trouble. I go to the
Yeah.
track. I do autocross.
Hell yeah, dude.
That's what I do.
That's sick.
And then I got a Miata race car, and then that's what I've been using now. So I don't
Dude,
mind.
that's awesome.
Because I can run America, you know, the downhill turn. So those scary moments.
Yeah.
I'm like, pump, don't shift. But
I like how you got your intake.
Yeah.
That's nice.
she's slow.
Oh, dude.
I've had this one for 8 years.
How many
Damn.
miles?
It's gonna be 250.
Hell yeah.
The only thing
Toyotas.
the only thing I have to replace is the transmission. So
They have. Is that a auto or?
No. Like sometimes I get in an auto. I'm like, where's my third pedal?
See you.
You guys think? Somebody's friends. It's like a little kid, yeah.
Yeah, no, I mean, some people might.
Why are you driving?
Whose car is this? Hell yeah. This thing's sick.
Thank you.
How long have you had it?
3 weeks.
Really? Damn.
That's still pretty new to me.
Dude, it's clean.
Thank
Holy
you.
shit.
Yeah.
That's insane. How do you like it?
Yeah, it's good, dude.
You like it? It's good?
It's a lot more car than what I had, I'll tell you what.
Oh, yeah. What year is this?
It's a 98.
98. Dude, that's badass. It's clean for a 98. Holy shit.
Yeah, it's got 74.
It's insanely clean. 74.
The
Damn.
interior's like mint on this thing.
Holy crap, where'd you find something like this? Holy
Dude, I
shit.
love the C5s.
I traded a Subaru WRX for it.
Damn. I love the blue lights under there.
Yeah. Aftermarket are these are Z06 brake ducts,
Oh, that's sick, dude.
and then the wheels are Z06. Vents, there's actually a fog.
Dude, I love the way that looks. The mesh always looks clean, dude.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
sick. Holy shit.
Somebody asked if I was gonna replace that, and I was like, oh, it's a little, yeah, it's
Holy
a little dirty,
shit.
but you can't get much better than a stock Corvette interior.
Did